What up, traders? It's your boy, Mr. Gentleman T himself, and welcome to Everyday FXT. Short disclaimer: I'll be doing an intraday cause some pairs decided to go against us. So it's only one pair, though. It's only one pair. That's Usdjpy. So that's why I'm doing this, just to forecast and tell you guys what's going to happen next. So clearly, this trend line that I had here, was not so strong that the market decided to break below and come back to this trend line here. So we know that my overall layout for this USDJPY pair was really to buy it. So I'm not really ashamed that I got stopped out. I got stopped out very early and was a loss. I'm not ashamed because really I want to buy this pair. Yeah, I really want to buy this pair. And I don't think anything can stop me from buying this pair. So what I'm looking to see right now is that right now the market is exactly at the previous low. So I'd really love to see the market coming exactly to these areas here. And then from these areas, this is where I'm looking to buy USDJPY. Catching it all the way up. Let me not be so harsh and just put it exactly here. So this is what I'd really love to see the market doing. But if it doesn't do this, I still have this right here. This right here. So let's take this, move it, put it here. Let's try and extend it. Let's make it look respectable, right? Really love to see the market coming to this area here. Let me remove this for now so that everything really is pretty much on the clearer side. Okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, right. So this is what I'd like to see happening. This is what I'd really love to see happening. The market pushing all the way to this area. In that way, we'll know that the market really did test this area and then it's ready to shoot all the way to the upside. And then our next pair, that'll be Gbpusd. So for Gbpusd, guys, super nice and simple as well. Just exactly how I thought the market should play out, and it did give us that play out exactly how I anticipated it to be. So these are my areas from yesterday, and you can see that I did say if the market gets here, it's most likely to continue all the way to the upside. But this week wasn't convincing me that much that the market can come all the way down here. So if I adjust this, we can see that the market really didn't break above this area, and really it is coming all the way down to this area here, which is something I would really love to see, because we can see that this area has been very strong as a support and as a resistance as well. So I'd like to see the market coming all the way here, and then from here we follow this area and then we take it all the way to the upside. That would be very nice. That'd be very nice to see happening. So right now what we'd like to see is the market coming all the way to this area, and from here we catch it all the way here, all the way there. So we have to see those wicks, those rejections to the downside before we can place our entries. We have to see a confirmation, bullish engulfing, anything, guys. Shooting star, hanging man, hammer, all that. Just have the three soldiers that I'd really love to see. So let's move on to our next pair, which is USDcad. So in USDcad, we did hit our TP, guys. Very excited. We hit our TP, and I'm sure we are all out of this trade. And we're looking to see the next move. because we really, right now, what we can see, we did come and hit our TP, and then the market is continuing, it's turned exactly in this area and then shot all the way to the upside. So we can see now that the buyers were really waiting here, waiting to catch this trade up, back up again. So what I'd really love to see happening is this market not breaking the previous higher lows. So I'd really see the market rejecting somewhere in these areas, really somewhere in these areas, or it could give me a fortune and really reject. Let me go on 1 hour. All right. So I'd really love to see the market really rejecting at this area. So I can see now the candle closed above, which is not something I'd love to see. So from here, I won't tell you anything, guys, until I see what the market does from here. Is it either coming to test these areas before it can actually shoot down? But I don't want to see any equal highs or equal lows. I just want to see the market rejecting from here and continuing all the way to the downside. Or it might be a matter of this. It might be a matter of this. Exactly this. This is what I'd love to see. That's why I want the market to reject in this area somewhere here. So, right. On Usdjpy, on US30, my last and final pay, I'm really very, very happy, guys. This year I gave you this area that the market has to come all the way down here, and then boom, we catch it. So this is time. I'm very, very happy. US30, I love this pair because it respects me, respects everything. Everything. I love it. We respect each other, boy. So what we'd love to see is the market really from this area going all the way to the upside. If now it decides to reject this area, which is the point where I'd really love to see it rejecting, come back all the way upside, break above. I don't care if it tests back or what. I'm willing to risk that. I'm catching it all the way to the upside, all the way to this TP here. So this is what I'd love to have on US30, on US30, on US30. And that's it for today's video, guys. It's your boy, Mr. Gentleman T himself. That's our intro day. I am signing out. Peace. Have a profitable day.